Hi, this is Lee again, and this is a video that we're doing specifically to give you an orientation to the Apricot Rocket CRM system. So this is an account that we've set up for a fictitious customer named Billy Crystal. Now, Billy Crystal, the actor, is not actually a client. I hope he would be. I mean, I'd love it. But I am going to just briefly show you how to customize this if you happened to be Billy Crystal, the actor. So over on the left-hand side, if you'll click on Account, let's go there first. Click on Account Information. Now, during the setup process, if you went through the setup process and didn't jump out of it, you would have essentially filled in all of this information, including a graphic. But if you skipped putting in your picture, you can click on Browse, and then you can go find a picture of yourself from your hard drive, open it, and then come down to the bottom and click the Update User Information, and you'll see that the picture that you've uploaded now becomes a graphic here. Now you can also upload your company logo, which I'll show you how to do in just a moment. So one of the first things that you should do is just notice that this section under account info is where your password is shown and where you can change your password if you want to. So log into your account, change your password as often as you'd like to. Please make sure that all of your contact information is accurate, and then come over and also make sure that the information that we have for your basic account is in here, your billing information. Now, if you haven't upgraded, you don't need to put in the billing information. But down here under default country, make sure it shows your, the United States, which is probably where you're at, your state, and then your time zone. If for some reason those are missing, please add them and then update. I'll come back on a later video and explain what the account API key is for. All right, so next, if you'll click on View Upgrade Plan, this is where you can upgrade the size of your CRM database. Everybody starts off with a free account, which allows 100 records and 20 megabytes of storage. If you need more records, more storage, just simply select the upgrade plan that you want to go to. You can store information in the system in the file storage area that we'll come back to later. You have reminder notices, sub-users, a profile page, a company profile. Let's click on company profile. Now, if you went through the setup process completely, your company contact information over here on the right-hand side and your company name on the left-hand side will be complete. But just scan this information and make sure that all of the information is in there that's important, especially if you're using the Leads program. Okay, over on the left-hand side, before you can send out emails, you must go through and set up the bulk email standard information section. Again, this information and the setup process was completed if you went through the initial setup sequence, so you won't need to do it again. But if you jumped out or stopped or just didn't complete the setup sequence, then this is where you would set up your bulk email standard information, making a connection to SendGrid, which would then allow you to send emails using the system. You can add social media connections. If you obviously have Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and so on, just come here. And when you send out emails, we'll automatically insert social media icons with links to your Facebook page and Twitter page and so on. That'll be all automatic. You can skip directory listings for now, and we'll come back to that in a later email. Okay, under the CRM section, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to close the account section, and now you have the CRM section. So I'm going to open the CRM section. Now here's where you do things like upload records from a spreadsheet, add records directly, upload records from a spreadsheet, edit your database classifications. There's separate videos on these things, so there's separate videos on each one of these. Custom database fields. You can export your records, export your comments. You can create and manage custom forms. You can create and manage web logic gates. You can create web reports, and you can customize a register process. So all of that is under the CRM section. Under email, this is where you would set up templates We have, of course, videos for all of this, but tutorials. But this is where you would set up or create email newsletter templates, and then you'd be able to use them in your automated marketing processes. You can schedule emails or campaigns to start in the future. So you'd use the scheduled section, or that would tell you what's been scheduled for the future. You can create campaigns. You can see what kind of active campaigns are running. And then, of course, you can see all the email statistics for previous email sendings that you've sent out. Under the SMS section, you have to turn on the SMS section, and you do that if you want to use SMS messaging as part of your marketing. And then you would just click on that and go through the process. Again, there's a video on how to do the use the SMS. The leads program, we have lots of videos for the leads program. But this is again a completely different section of the system. This is where you would tell us what kinds of products or services you offer, and then we would try to help find customers for you, or at least potential customers for you, and send you leads that you could then, at your option, purchase, unlock, and then get in touch with those people and use the CRM for direct marketing campaigns. So look for the videos, the tutorials on the leads program. There's a shopping cart, fully integrated. You can add products, set up categories, all kinds of things. You can import products. There's lots of stuff going on with a shopping cart. We have a whole series of videos for that. So please, if you're interested in selling things online, just watch those videos. And then, of course, we have a section where we have new information about our system that we broadcast out, and then video tutorials, and last but not least, you can contact us through the contact section. So that's a quick orientation there. Now I'm going to click on dashboard and take us back to the dashboard because I want to orient you here. When you need to perform a search and pull information or find records in the system, there's two ways you can do that. One is up here at the top where it says quick search. You can type a name like Thurburn. I'll type my name, and if I can spell it correctly. Now I'm not in this system, so if I hit enter, which I just did, it's going to return with a message that says no records were found. But if I was looking for a record for Crystal, like Billy, now when you set up your account, we automatically create a record for you, and there is the record for the account owner, Billy Crystal. And you can click on the record. You can go into the record. We have a lot of videos that talk about all of this stuff, but I'm not going to really go into that right at the moment. You can, but here on the, click again. Okay, now we're going to go, come on, here, come on, system. All right, so you have the search. You can either search up here in the top where it says quick search, or you can click on the search panel, and then you can do lots of different kinds of searches. We have videos for that. The second panel deals with the Apricot Rocket Marketplace. If you'd like to sell products that other people will drop ship for you, we can help you with that. Again, if you want to manage your shopping cart, a lot of the most common things you can just click on directly from this panel. The leads program, again, you can jump directly in from this panel. You can get into custom forms from this panel. You can get into logic gates from this panel. You can manage your text message processes here. You can look at your files that you have in storage here. And then we have reminder notices and information about emails and batches that have been sent here. So the dashboard gives you a variety of sort of quick entry as well as deep drill down things. There is a calendar system here. I'm going to just click on it and open it. And the calendar is a nifty tool for you to be able to keep track of events and tasks and things like that that you have coming up. We'll have a video specifically for how to use the calendaring tool. That's a quick orientation to the functionality that is available to you with the Apricot Rocket system, CRM, shopping cart, marketing automation, and leads generation. Have fun. Be sure and watch the other videos for more detailed explanations on the various functionalities. Thanks for watching.